Bella, where are you going?
To the beach.
To the beach. There you go. Starbucks. We're here in Starbucks.
Si papan ko.
We're here. Is it the hotel? Wow, yan naman oh. Wow, ready for the beach.
Ay!
Ay, just tulog eh. May mga bola dyan na dinala yung sila Andy. Hindi. Here. Right. After 4 hours. This is we're gonna stay.
Dahil anong health kit mo?
Tikod. Ayun na. Here we go. Welcome. Welcome to our crib. Castillo. Welcome. Hello.
Initin mo na ba?
Yan ang pork steak. Tama, initin mo na lang.
Oo nga.
Diyan.
Or
Mula na.
siya yung nandun. Kasi initin din yung sauce.
Say hi to the vlog. Yeah. Chang. The kids. Yun na oh. Simula na yan. Simula na yan. Si Bella. Dito tayo. Oh, here's a room. Here's a room. That's Mochokoy Studio. See? Doesn't like to ano. Oh, ayan o.
May juice!
May ano ko sila para mamaya na kami lalabas.
Ito lang muna.
Sige, yan. Meron din kami lalabas.
Alright, so hi, we're here. Gonna check out the pool. The kids are there. Mutiara. So before, dati meron dyang playground Now, ito na lang. Oh, linakihan ng pool. Barang-barang. Did the pool got big?
No, it got smaller.
Huh? Where's Bella? Hello.
Go! Go!
Okay. So right now we're going to, where are we going, Bella?
You the beach!
The beach?
Yes!
Yes. Okay, walking. We're going to try.
Daddy, can I wear that one?
Oh, there's a playground.
Let's play one there, you can like there.
Later. We're going to the beach
Yeah, we're going to the beach.
side.
This sun.
There's what?
The sun.
Sand.
Can I go there, please?
Wait.
Can I go there?
Oh.
You can go to Krakatoa. You can go to volcano.
Oh.
Let's go to a volcano tomorrow.
Yeah. But I don't found it.
There's an event.
Can you find it?
It's not the beach.
This is not the beach? Okay, let me go. This is not the beach.
Beach.
But we cannot go to the beach. The pass said you cannot go to the beach. Oh, the pass cannot go to the beach.
Sabi ko sa'yo, bring your ano eh.
Look!
There, oh, here, oh. Oh.
Ma! Playtime!
Oh, this is the beach.
I found another one!
So this is the new Sunset Beach Club. It's an events place. Right? Over here, there's a zip line. Zip line. The playground. Dito linipat yung playground. Yan, mas maganda siya, mas malaki. Mas maayos, oh. May sand. Saan yan? Pasukan yan. Ito. Water sports dito. Water sports.